What if every single roof in the world had a solar panel? Okay, so this might sound like a big and random hypothetical, but stick with me, because one group of scientists actually did find an answer. And they went looking because until now, solar panels have kind of been the underdogs of renewable energy. In the past 3 decades, we have seen huge growth in solar electricity as a renewable energy source, now supplying over 6% of global energy demand. But solar panels are not cheap to install. That, combined with skepticism about their effectiveness, has led to solar energy being underrepresented in climate models. Basically, solar panels are still pretty niche. But now we have a glimpse into what their full potential could be. Here's how scientists did it. First, the team had to calculate the total area of rooftops across the entire planet. No big deal. To do this, they actually trained AI to identify rooftops on remote sensing imagery from satellites, like a CAPTCHA test. But this time, we asked the robots to find all the rooftops. Turns out rooftops worldwide cover a total area of 286,393 square kilometers. That's about the size of the Philippines. That gives you a sense of the available space, but not all rooftops are created equal. So the team divided the globe into multiple clusters in order to consider the challenges tied to each location. This involved factors such as community wealth, the need for solar panel installation training, and the varying levels of sunlight different regions receive. From there, they calculated the amount of energy that could be produced and how much of a drop in carbon emissions would result from switching to solar power. And that's how they got a global surface temperature drop of between 0.05 and 0.13 degrees by 2050. That might not sound like much, but that fraction of a drop could be the tipping point for some coastal communities, whether they survive or not. It could determine the Greenland ice sheet collapsing, or if the boreal permafrost suddenly thaws. Sure, putting solar panels on every roof isn't realistic, but what these scientists wanted to prove is that focusing on areas with strong sunlight or fast-growing cities can make the most of these systems. And there is a viable path forward to avoid a global climate disaster in the coming years, if we choose to take it.